Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a very easy and a delicious shrimp and broccoli. The key to this dish is the sauce. I'm going to show you how to make it. I call it garlic sauce. If you are vegetarians, you can use this sauce to make just broccoli or any other vegetables you like. Now let's make the sauce. Before we make a sauce, I'm going to season the shrimp with a little bit of salt. I have 8 shrimp, cleaned and deveined. And I have about half pound of broccoli cut up. For the sauce, we just use the white part of the green onions. Chop it up finely. And I have 5 cloves of garlic. We have to chop it up, or you can mince it. Okay, now we're going to make the sauce. Add a white part of the green onions and minced garlic. I've saved some for the shrimp, and then a little bit of salt, soy sauce. It's about a tablespoon. Anyway, we don't need to measure, right? Chinese cooking, it's not baking. And drizzles of sesame oil. And about a teaspoon cornstarch. So I'm making a slurp. And some filtered water. It's about a quarter cup of water. Let's mix them well. So that is our sauce. And next we're going to boil the broccoli quickly. Our water is boiling. Let's add broccoli. And we're going to cook about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, we're going to strain the broccoli. And we're ready to cook. Now we're heating up the pan to medium heat to cook the shrimp first. Add a little bit of oil. I will add some garlic. Now ready to put the shrimps in. That's the reason I'm using medium heat. You know, we don't want a high heat and to have the shrimp cooked outside but not cooked inside. The shrimp normally takes about 3 minutes. So about 3 minutes, the shrimp is pink and they're curly. Now we're going to add broccoli. Turn the heat to high. And add our sauce. Mix well before we add it. Smells good. Let it cook about half a minute to incorporate the sauce. You taste it. Perfect. Doesn't need to be adjusted. I got a shrimp all coated with the sauce. And we're ready to serve the shrimp and broccoli. Let me try this for you guys. Shrimp. Smell very good with the garlic sauce. Broccoli is crunchy. I love it. With the garlic sauce, it's delicious. And shrimp. It's perfectly done. So good. Hope you guys are gonna try this very easy and delicious recipe. And I'm going to continue to eat. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.